girl Kersy, and today I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review over this hair right here. And trust and believe, I did my YouTube research and I could not find out one video over her. I mean, I'm not disappointed either because I'm glad to say I'm the first, so I can bring this video to you. And if you like this video or if you like this hair on me, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know what you think about it. Do you like the length? Do you like the waves? The color? And honey, this color is popping. It said that it's a 27. To me, it looks like a 30, but I don't care because it looks good on my skin. That's all I know. That's all I know. Okay? Let's jump right into this video. I'm not gonna make it too long because it's just what it is. You know, this is her. So 1 second. So this is the card that it comes with. I don't know if you guys can see. Her name is Kersy. It's by the brand, I don't know if it's Mayde or Mayde Beauty. It says it's a pre-plucked hand-tied lace part, invisible lace part. It's in the color OP27. It's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And it comes in one of these packagings right here. And I must say, you guys, I'm just shook. I have been looking for a wig, bob cut, middle part, wavy, not too thin, not too big, but something right in the middle. And y'all, when I tried this one on, like, that was it. I'm like, I gotta have it.
Gotta have it.
I got so many compliments on it today. Even going to the store, I just had so many compliments. It was just like, you already know. So about this wig, I'm not gonna take my wig off. It's a basic wig as far as in the construction on the inside. So it have your two combs. The two combs are right here. You know, some combs are normally on the sides. The two combs are right here. It has a pretty good size parting in it. And what I did, because I wore this wig to work. Today was my first day wearing it. I wore it to work today. And I put a little concealer. I didn't have to pluck it, which is awesome. And, oh, I'm sorry, let me back. So I was saying it had two combs in the front, and it also has two combs in the back. And it have that little band thing that you can adjust it to your liking or whatever. It fits really well. I'm not gonna say I got a big head. It's like, it's weird. It's like I got a peanut head, but it's a long head, so it make it a big head, if that make any sense. But I'm gonna say it's big head friendly. All I know is I'm pleased. I'm very pleased with this hair. Now, I don't like to wear my wig up on my head like that. No, ma'am. No. But anyways, what I like to do, I like to pull my wig back onto my real hair to kind of blend it in and put that concealer right there. And baby, she looks good. They got like these little hairs right here. This side have it too somewhere. It's somewhere up in there. But I don't wear baby hair. But if you was wondering, for the baby hair wearers that must have their baby hair, yes, it has some little pieces on there. But of course, if you want more, you can always, you know, pull some out. Use a little razor, cut off some, and, you know, slick your baby hairs down. Boom, that's it. Other than that, you guys, that's really it. As far as in pricing, I paid $27.99 for this wig at my local beauty supply. The texture is so soft. Like, it is really soft, and of course it's synthetic, but it's just so soft. And you know, one thing I like about short wigs, or just having short hair in general, you don't get a lot of tangling, especially in synthetic wigs. You know, when you have longer synthetic wigs, they tend to tangle in the back, even on the first day. For me, that's just my experience. You know, some people can revive their synthetic wigs and keep them for months at a time. No, I don't do that. To me, it's like a quick weave. Once them ends start to frizz up, they gotta go. It gotta go, okay? But this one right here, I'm gonna put her up. I'm not gonna wear her every day because I need her to last. You feel me? So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Leave a comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so every time that I upload, you will get it too. So until next time, you already know what it is. Your girl Kersy loves you, and stay blessed.